This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce bringing you your daily COVID-19 update for March 26th. We were able to find out more information about Export Development Canada and Business Development Bank of Canada programs. The Business Credit Availability Program through EDC and BDC allow both of these Crown corporations to expand their programming to collaborate with private lenders for delivery. The program provides working capital loans of up to $2 million with flexible repayment terms such as principal postponements for qualifying businesses, flexible repayment terms such as postponement of principal payments for up to 6 months for existing BDC clients with total BDC loan commitment of $1 million or less, and reduced rates on new eligible loans. Additional details regarding the BCAP program and its measures, including industry-specific support, is expected to be announced in the coming days. So what do you need to know about the BCAP program? Businesses seeking support through this program should first contact their financial institution for an assessment of their situation. Financial institutions will refer to EDC and BDC any clients whose needs extend beyond what is available through their private sector alone. There's more information on the work sharing program. We do know that that's been extended beyond certain sectors, and there were adjustments made to accommodate the situations related to COVID-19. Some of those adjustments include reducing the requirement from 2 years to 1 year of operation, removing the requirement for financial documentation, and extending maximum duration of work share agreements from the current 38 weeks to 76 weeks. They're also easing recovery plan requirements for the duration of the work share agreement. To be eligible for work shares, your employees must be year-round, permanent, full-time, or part-time employees needed to carry out the day-to-day functions of the business. They need to be eligible to receive EI benefits, and they need to agree to reduce their normal working hours by the same percentage and to share the available work. There's also been adjustments to annual meetings of federal corporations during COVID-19. Of course, by law, federally incorporated businesses and not-for-profit corporations have to hold an AGM of shareholders or members every year. As it's currently unsafe to host public gatherings, Corporations Canada has outlined some options for federal corporations, including holding a virtual or partially virtual meeting or delaying calling the AGM. There was also some information today about different technologies, and of course in this rapidly transforming environment, technology has become even more important. So there's some information on there, and there's also going to be some upcoming webinars, including one on March 31st on machine learning, so you can visit our website for more information. The Canadian Chamber also launched a cybersecurity program through their Essential Business Services with CIRA, which is the not-for-profit that runs the .ca web domain. With more people working from home and many businesses switching to online operations, it's more important than ever that we remain vigilant for email phishing scams and other malicious cyber attacks. Of course, there's a lot of fraud that happens anytime there's circumstances and situations like this, and there is a text scam that's going around on the new emergency response benefit. Prime Minister Trudeau said Canadians should be looking at reliable sources for information on the pandemic and relief efforts, such as government websites. And so we encourage you to visit our website to stay up to date with the news and information. With the emergency isolation supports that are available for Albertans who are self-isolating or who are sole caregivers for someone in self-isolation and have no other source of income, applicants can now view eligibility criteria and apply online. The Quarantine Act has come into effect, and there are greater restrictions now on travelers who are coming home from international destinations with a mandatory 14-day quarantine. There are serious fines and jail time now for possible offenders, and there's a way to submit concerns and complaints online as well. There is a number of mental health supports as well, and Alberta Health Services has boosted its service to help Albertans should they need to speak with someone about mental health concerns. The mental health line can be accessed at 1-877-303-2642, and there's also an addiction health line that's available. This will hopefully support 811 operators so that they can focus on COVID-19 calls during the day and improve wait times for others needing telephone advice. There's also resources on our daily update with regards to access to justice, medical evaluation for driver's licenses, and some of the advocacy work that we've been doing for you on a provincial and federal level. You'll also find a number of webinars and training and resources on our website, not only in our daily update, but on our website at medicinehatchamber.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon.